to be patient, we're running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by. No